Just a brand new 2026 Volkswagen Grand California, retrofitting the genuine reversing camera, so the same as if it came from the factory. So it goes up by the brake light itself. So as I said, exact same as if it comes out of the factory. Up on the original screen, into reverse, camera comes on, moving guidelines with the camper van parking sensor overlay as well. You can go to a widescreen on it, and you can select an alternative widescreen angle as well. So, normal screen, wide angle, and if you want to bring the parking sensors back, you just touch here.